Production line of sprayed rough geomembrane. Our company has developed and designed a production line for sprayed rough geomembrane. It is sprayed with special plastic spraying equipment to the surface of the required roughened geomembrane. The advantages of this production method are follows. There will be no bubbles or pores on the surface or inside of the geomembrane. Therefore, it will reduce the various quality indicators of the geomembrane, low equipment investment, and short processing cycle. Due to the silk jet roughening method, it is secondary roughening after the production of geomembrane, so there are low requirements for raw materials during the production. No equipment modification is required to produce rough geomembrane. It is possible to produce rough geomembranes of different thicknesses. This process of spraying rough geomembrane saves the most material. Following the process simultaneously meets the requirements.